Good morning, YouTube. Oh, it's been a minute for me. You've seen Joe and Harvey. It's a beautiful, cold New Hampshire day. It is 18 degrees currently. And Joe and Harvey are at that sheetrocking job that they said they didn't think that they could videotape, if you saw yesterday's video. And I have hay on me. I may look like I'm just in my car driving, but if you saw the hot mess, my husband is going to absolutely murder me. I don't know how he puts up with my shenanigans, but Bentley and I went to the Airbnb that I have to turn over, so I have all that laundry in my car. And then I stopped at our local store to grab a few bags of shavings just so that our pigs have extra bedding because it's so cold, and they are out of everything. They're out of straw, out of shavings, but they had a handful of hay left. I'm in my Tahoe and I have bales of hay. I don't know if you can see them. And I need to get this out of my car and clean my car out before my husband just shakes his head and doesn't know what to do with me. But it's so cold. I wasn't gonna drive all the way home to start a truck. My Tahoe's already warm. So we just put anything and everything in my Tahoe. So let's go unload this stuff. Maybe it's time to go to the detailer or get a broom and clean this up before Joe gets home. All right, good as new. All right, these guys are all happy. Twiz, come see. You all set, buddy? All right, y'all, I had a whole plan for you to take you along with me today, but Joe and Harvey did indeed film. I just talked to Joe, so you're in luck. I don't have to bore you, and we're gonna go check out what Joe and Harvey are doing at the police station for Sheetrock today. So let's go check it out. Thanks for hanging out with me for the first little bit of the video. And yeah, they're gonna be there for a few hours. Bentley has a big basketball game tonight, and it's just a good cold New Hampshire day. Hope you guys are all doing well. Let's go check out Joe and Harvey. We'll see you next time.
Alright guys, I lied. I didn't bring the GoPro, and I'm just probably gonna get just enough for a short video for you today. We're not in the police station. That's why I said I'll just take the camera out quick. We are in the other side of the building, which is the town hall. This is the elevator control room. They had to cut some of the sheetrock out of the bottom because it had molded and mildewed, and I believe they needed access to some wiring. So we are throwing in these pieces of sheetrock. We were gonna mud and tape them, but then the building manager, or buildings property manager, whatever, for the town said maybe we'll just screw it up and leave it accessible in case you need to get the wires in the future, unless for fire code it's required we got to tape it, in which case he said he'll just have us come back for that. So we're almost done in here. And then we have just one small patch in the police station, probably 2x2 chunk underneath a bathroom sink. So
we'll put pictures or
yeah, we might be able to
without talking.
we might be able to video that a little bit.
We're probably not going to talk in it.
Yeah.
Because there's police officers talking around.
But so anyway, that's where we are in here, and we will maybe throw another quick video when it's all up, and maybe a little something for the patch in the police station.
Maybe. How do you figure that out? I didn't know that you know how to run these things.
I did it by accident. Well, no, I used to remember in the shop, I'd have to go, hey.
We're talking about quality.
Yeah. Remembering how to film on a camera. I mean, on a phone.
You gotta change the settings to higher settings.
Yeah. Yesterday's videos, we noticed a big difference between the GoPro and our phones. And I remembered that I need to change the setting on my phone from whatever HD 60 to 4K. So I just did that. So hopefully today's phone quality video is better. But
mine was HD 30.
30? Oh, so mine was.
Well, that's, you can go 60 frames per second or 30 or 24. But mine was in HD, not 4K. What makes the difference, eh?
Yeah. But there we go, that's that. I have a feeling that to code or for fire or whatever, the elevator company is going to want this taped. So I put it in as planned. There's only one cut edge down there. These are all beveled. So mudding it shouldn't be too awful if we have to. But there it is. That's that. Let's jump on to the little one over into the police department. Whoa. All right. Nothing big in here. Little 2 by 16, 18 chunk. This one will get mod tape and primed. I think we just about got it, didn't we, Harvey?
I think so.
Come back tomorrow, give it a quick scuff, maybe a quick touch up here or there, throw some primer on her, and we will be good to go. What do you think?
I think so.
All right, we are back home. Sheetrock and tools all unloaded into the barn. And we are going to pop the trailer off. And then we have one more mission I was just informed of at our old house in Andover, the Airbnb. I need to run over there with Samantha, possibly change the filter on the hot tub. And I think the hot tub needs to be topped off. And I have the spigot for the hose on the end of the house where the hot tub is shut off. So I need to turn that on, hook up a hose, yada yada yada. Let me let's see if I can. Let's see. What do you guys see? Try to back this trailer up while holding a camera. But I'm trying to back this trailer very specifically because the block for the jack is froze in the ground. So if I line myself up just right, which I might be close. Let's see. Let's see if I'm close at all. Oh yeah. I can make that work. Let's see. I don't remember which way I had to go. Maybe like that. By the time I walked from the back of the truck to get in the truck, I forgot what I had to do to be on the jack. Well, it wasn't that. But if I turn hard to the left and pull ahead, we might have it. Woo. Do this about 100 or so times, and then yeah, we can make that work. All right. again. I'm not sure what it is today, but I still believe it's in the teens. And again, that wouldn't be horrible if it wasn't so windy. I think that's just gonna just barely catch the edge of that block. But if it does, I can yard it over. Or it'll fall off and I'll have to pick it up with something. As long as I can catch it before, yeah. Alright. You guys stay right there for a second. Easy. Don't know what you just saw, because there's kind of 3 up there. Probably nothing. If it's horrible, Samantha can fix that. Alright. Trailer off. Might as well take this truck to Andover until it's warm. But I believe this is going to be the end of the video, because I think she informed me she already has some sort of footage. I don't know if it's farm chores or cleaning the Andover house or what, but she informed me she has something. I told her we have a little bit from the town hall and the police station. So that would wrap up the video here. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Wrap up the video. You all have a good night, good day, good something. You all have goodness. Peace out, YouTube.